hacks that will save your life today. Clothes and beauty DIY. If you consider yourself a beauty and DIY fanatic, we bet you live for finding new makeup and beauty hacks. You probably have said this once or twice. I want to know it all and I want to know it now. Well, today's your lucky day. You got yourself on the perfect channel because today we're spilling all of our favorite and easy to do DIY and beauty hacks that will make your routine easier and perhaps even more fun. Greetings, Muze fam! Welcome back to our channel. From doing your own hair mask using egg whites to creating your own makeup bag, we're counting down to the top beauty and clothes hacks for your lips, hands, eyes, down to your jeans and shoes. Just when you thought we couldn't be more random. With these in your back pocket, it won't be long before everyone thinks you have a glam squad on call. Be ready because we're now getting started. Before we move any further, please like this video and click the subscribe button down below so you can get the latest beauty DIYs. Beauty hack number 12, egg white hair mask. Yes, we get it. It can absolutely get extra sticky and gross, but this method can surely make the difference on your hair. This hack we'll be showing you is indeed a frothy method to strengthen hair. It turns out that many people believe the direct application of egg whites can make your hair stronger. It must be from the high protein that strengthens the hair. When you have already damaged the hair enough by doing hair spa, what's the harm for trying this sticky method? You just need to prepare egg whites from 2 eggs. To make egg white hair mask, simply whip the eggs until you get frothy loose mixture before applying. Let it soak for 10 minutes before continuing with shampoo and conditioner routine. We're sure you're dying to try this hack already, but stay tuned, Muze fam, because we still have more for you. Hack number 11, whiten those shoes. Ever tried washing those pair of shoes but you end up wondering and frustrated because the original color just wouldn't return no matter how many times you've brushed it? Baking soda is great to use for cleaning those white pair of shoes. Try mixing it with detergent to brighten it up. Apply using an old toothbrush to scrub stubborn areas. Hack number 10, jeans on freezer. Are you sick of those jeans that no matter how much you wash it, the smell stays and lingers? Jeans really do have a certain smell, but for some people, the smell isn't something they could bear. Here's the perfect hack for you. Try putting jeans in the freezer for several hours, and you can surely smell the difference. Hack number 9, test foundation on neck instead of your face. So here's a different one, but something you should remember. This is a common mistake that most of us have done once or twice or many times in our lives. Who's to blame when nobody has taught us to proper testing? Imagine trying to work out the perfect foundation or concealer shade while standing in a beauty store. It's tricky and awkward, and you may go through all the trouble of trying various shades only to find out nothing matches. Part of the problem could be that you're testing face makeup products on your face. What? Here's the thing. It's slightly counterintuitive, but rather than matching it to your cheek or your forehead, which can be affected and influenced by things like acne and too much sun, the skin on your neck is the best place to swatch. And that's because it's more reflective of your true skin tone. Hack number 8, potato eye mask. Are you looking for an eye mask that requires absolutely no effort at all? We are here to introduce to you Potato Slices Eye Mask, an easy way to get rid of dark circles. If you got some potatoes left in the fridge, why not use this hack? It's resourceful and affordable. So it turns out that potato slices can reduce dark circles around the eyes. Just get those potatoes you have. The amount is up to your choice. Slice it up, leave it in the refrigerator to chill before applying to your eyes. Keep it on for 15 minutes before removing it. What a perfect nighttime routine. Hack number 7, yogurt face mask. It's about time you give yourself a break, even just an hour or 2. Here is the perfect face mask to calm skin after a long week of duty and graveyard shifts. After a long day, it is always good to relax and put on a face mask, maybe while listening to some music or while on the phone catching up with an old friend. Here are the ingredients: 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of water. Yogurt is made with vitamin and minerals properties such as B12, B2, B5, calcium, lactic acid, zinc, and alpha-hydroxy acids. Commonly, yogurt face masks start with 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 tablespoons of water. Some medicines recommend rose water instead of water, because rose water comes with antibacterial properties. Hack number 6, sugar body scrub. We probably have shown you from our previous videos about creating DIY scrubs, and here we have next on the list is Sugar Body Scrub. One new fact is that Sugar Body Scrub is definitely a good way to relax after home workout. Isn't it amazing to give your body the love and care it needs inside out? Body scrubs are great to remove dead skin cells, stimulating circulation and to exfoliate the skin. So you may ask, what makes sugar a good body scrub? Glycolic acid occurs naturally in sugar, helpful for cleansing the skin and dissolving dead skin cells. This effective body scrub only requires 2 essential ingredients, sugar and olive oil. And just mix it all together. To make it more interesting, you can include some coffee grounds into the mixture too. Happy scrubbing! Congratulations! You have made it halfway through our list of our top beauty DIY hacks. But before we finish the remaining 5 beauty hacks, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can get more beauty hacks just like this one. Hack number 5. Baking soda hair treatment. Baking soda has been a norm lately for having something to do in quarantine. From creating the perfect slice of banana bread to making burnt cheesecake. So surely you have some baking soda left in your kitchen that you have thought of throwing away. But right now, we can still make use of that remaining powder to renew that damaged hair. Did you know that baking soda is an ingredient to reduce dandruff? Simply make a paste by combining baking soda with apple cider vinegar. It helps to create a pH balance and exfoliate dead skin cells. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing. What a treat! Hack number 4. Oatmeal hand treatment. Yes, we are told to always wash our hands, and this time we are telling you to moisturize it using this perfect breakfast blend. A fun breakfast way to moisturize hands, oatmeals are just one of the best things ever. You can always buy it anytime, anywhere, and mostly it's affordable too. Here's how you can moisturize your hands with a superfood. Mix together 3 tablespoons of oatmeals, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of milk. To elevate the hand treatment, you can combine some avocado into the mixture too. It sounds like the perfect breakfast blend for your hands. Another way of taking care of your body inside out. Hack number 3. Kool-Aid lipstick. Okay, so who doesn't like Kool-Aid? We won't be drinking it today. Instead, we will be saving a little of it to create this punchy pop of lip color. Perfect to give those lips of yours some soul and attitude. Simply wet your lips, press your finger into the powder and gently rub it into your mouth, like you would a lip balm. Then use a Q-tip to smooth out any clumps. The cherry flavor gets you the most amazing classic red, while pink lemonade looks like a hot pink. Sassy, isn't it? Hack number 2. Lemon juice nail treatment. Lemon juice is probably the jack of all trades, from tightening the skin pores to giving you a smooth skin and most of all giving you your daily dose of vitamin C. But today we're giving you a different twist. A simple way to prevent nail discoloration. Lemon juice. When life gives you lemons, use it for nail treatment. Say hello to healthy nails through this easy and super quick treatment. Lemons help to prevent nails from discoloration. No additional ingredients are required for this simple hack. Simply squeeze a fresh lemon into a bowl and soak your nails in it. After a couple of minutes, rinse it off. This is surely a good home spot treatment while watching Netflix. And for our hack number 1, guess what? DIY makeup bag. We always have the best of hacks for those of you out there trying not to spend, having a tight budget, or just too lazy to leave the house. We probably have those old umbrellas stuck in the garage or in the porch, but now way too damaged to use it ever, so better cut off the fabric from an umbrella. Poke holes around the edge of the fabric and run a ribbon through it. Put your makeup in the center and pull the ribbon to close your bag. Now you got yourself a brand new makeup bag. If you have extra fabric from your umbrella, you can also make another one for your girlfriends. Resourceful than ever. Bonus tip: add some distilled vinegar to your washing machine to stop your dark jeans from fading when you wash them. So which beauty hack will you be trying first, Muze Fam? That's it for the list of 12 fun beauty and clothes hacks you can do and experiment all by yourself at home. Aren't you excited to pamper yourself with the simple masks and treatments using natural ingredients down to giving your pair of shoes and jeans some brand new look it deserves? There are so many beauty hacks to uncover. Have you tried any of these beauty hacks before? Let us know in the comments below. And that is all for today's video, Muze Fam. If If you like to see the craziest and freshest videos, you can always watch more from our channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Looking forward to see you again, Muze Fam. Bye!